Hi, I'm Cole Roth with MarineMax Naples. Today we're going to step aboard our fresh trade-in, a 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage powered by triple 350 Verados. One of the key features of 380 Outrage is the fold-out back bench, as well as the twin cockpit teak tables, which match the teak countertop, which when folded up gives you more aft-facing seating. It also features a 80-gallon live well underneath the back seat. Another key feature of the Boston Whaler 380 Outrage is the trademark dive door, which makes it easy to get on and off the boat. When you're having lunch or dinner in the back seating area here, we have a church shade that comes out pretty much to the transom to give extended shade. Moving forward to the helm area on the port side, we have a cockpit fridge. And as we move forward, you'll notice at our helm we have twin 16-inch Ray Marines. This 380 Outrage does have our joystick piloting, as well as skyhook, autopilot, and waypoint routing. Moving towards the steering wheel, you'll see our automatic trim tabs, which you can operate manually as well. Easy access for all the switching, as well as integrated Mercury Vessel View 703 to get all your diagnostics. Moving forward to the bow of the boat, you'll notice Whaler's signature lounger with twin armrests and cup holders in the middle, with plenty of storage down below. Just forward of the lounger, we have our teak table, which is electric and it'll go up and down if you want a filler cushion or if you want to take the cushion off and enjoy lunch or dinner. Both sides of the V-shaped cushions have backrest if you want to lounge forward, or just lay it down to sit around the table. As we come down to the cabin on the port side here, you'll notice all your AC panel as well as your generator start and stop. Stereo head unit in here, so with additional storage in these cabinets. Just forward, you'll notice this trade-in does have all the isinglass to enclose the cockpit area up above if you run into some weather. You do have a bed down here, as well as a full-size head and shower. Just forward of the full-size head and shower, you'll notice a sink with a trash can underneath, as well as a microwave up above. And that concludes the tour of our fresh trade-in 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage, powered by triple 350 Verados. My name's Cole Roth. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples.